Hey, everyone! Today, I'll guide you through changing your name in Zoom. First, open any browser. Once it's open, go to the Zoom login page and enter your details. As soon as you're in, you'll see your trusted room. Today, we'll learn how to change your name here. Look for the Profile button and click on it. After clicking, a new format will appear. You'll notice my name written here and my picture on this site. Now, to change the name, find the Edit button and click on it. A new format will open up. Here, you can update your first and last name. I'll tweak my last name a bit and down here. It says, "Don't show in meetings." Your name will appear as it's written here. I'll shorten it a bit. Then, scroll a bit and click on the Save button. The window will close, and you'll see the previous format again. Here, you'll notice that my name has been properly updated. This is how you change your name within Zoom. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like it.